Good morning, student. This is class 7, subject science. And yesterday I taught you about fiber, that is natural fiber that occur from animals, wool, you know. And the wool you can get from sheep, goat, llama, camel, you know. Today I am going to teach you about sheep rearing. Topic is sheep rearing. Sheep rearing, what is sheep rearing? Sheep rearing is the raising of and breeding of domestic sheep for their meat, milk, and fiber. Fiber, for wool. They are all are also held sheep skin and parchment. For sheep skin and parchment. Sheep are raised at place with temperature, climate, including arid zone. Farmer build their fences, housing, fences and housing sheds and other facilities such as for water, feed, pest control. These all are also necessary for rearing of the sheep. Sheep graze, postures and usually under the control of a shepherd or sheepdog. A shepherd graze their sheep in forest, and their presentation of sheepdog that also help in rearing of sheep. In our country, sheep are reared in the hilly part of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, in all hilly Gujarat, in plains, Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, and Gujarat. Some popular Indian breeds of sheep or Lohi, Rampur, Bushire, Nali. These all are Bhakharwal. These all are, very famous breed in India, in our country. Apart from grazing them, the rearers also feed them on mixture of pulses, jowar. Sheep can feed mixture of pulses, jowar, corn, oil cakes. So this is rearing or sheep rearing. And in rearing process, first step comes, that is known as shearing. What is shearing? Shearing is the process of harvesting of the wool. In the shearing process, the fleece means that wool. Fleece, although that fleece, along with a thin layer of skin is removed from the body. Fleece is generally shown once in a year. You can harvest once in a year, and it also harvest before the onset of the summer. Fleece is cut to the skin to obtain maximum length of fleece. Maximum length of that hair, that is known fleece, that is fiber, with the help of mechanical shears. And the average yield of wool from a healthy sheep is near about 4 to 5 kg per year. Producer shear their animal, in summer month. This help to provide a more sterilized and safe environment. Summer is safe environment during the lambing process. Shearing does not hurt the sheep. If you are going to shear that fleece in winter season, that will be harmful for that sheep, because sheep protect themselves from cold by that fleece, by their that hair. And if you are going to, or rearer is going to shear that sheep in winter season, at that time they can suffer from disease. So good season for shearing of sheep is summer. You can see a person is shearing sheep in picture. Next, grading. After shearing, grading is also done. What is grading? The fiber forming the fleece from the same sheep may be different from different part of the body. The fleece is picked by hand to sort it into the separate oils and of similar nature. There will be some long hair and some short hair. So it is done. It is separated by hand. Next, washing and cleaning. I hope you know about washing and cleaning. How can rearer wash and clean? See, the fiber is stored in order to remove grease and impurity. It is also washed and cleaned. They are washed with soap or detergent, to remove the oily layer of from hair, that fleece. And when it washed, that oily layer remove. And this layer, which layer? This oily layer over the fleece is called yolk. See, after washing, scoring or washing also known as scoring, washing is done by moving the wool through a series of tubes which are filled with soap and water. And the tub is, in that tub is set at very warm, near about 60-degree temperature, and then raised off in cold water. After washing, that rise up in cold water. During this step, during washing, during this step, grease of wool remove and that separated. And after washing, the wool is passed through a series of rollers and dryers. Now a dye machine are used for scoring. Scoring is done by that machines. After it, next step is sorting and blending. Wool from the different batches it is mixed together mechanically. The hairy skin is sent to factory where hair is sent to the factory where hair of different texture are separated or sorted by the machine. After it, the next topic is sorting and blending, and I taught about sorting and blending. After sorting and blending, next topic is carding. What is carding? Try to understand about carding. The clean wool is that cleaning passed through roller. The rollers are covered with fine sheet of cloth having that have wire, thin wire, that have teeth like thin wire. The teeth entangle the fibers and arrange them into a flat sheet. That flat sheet is called web. The web then drawn into narrow row and further in narrower fleece strap. After it, next topic is spinning. The continuous ropes are then formed by, when you are going to spine, that continuous ropes are formed by the use of steel fingers which divide the wool and roll the stand on the top of one another. Coarser fiber are then twisted into rope-like structure, and processes that process by which they twisted are called rowing. R-O-V-I-N, rowing. Finer fibers are then combed and prepared for spinning into yarn. After spinning, the wool is either woven or knitted. Or dyeing. Next topic is dyeing. The fiber can be dyed, in various colors. Red, yellow, orange, in any color, various colors. As the natural fleece of sheep and goat is black, brown or white, you can dye it in various colors. After it, weaving and knitting. Weaving interlocks piece of yarn at right angles to one another. In weaving, one set yarn is arranged lengthwise, wrap, and other set crosswise. One lengthwise and other crosswise. You can see there are a knitting that lengthwise is known as wrap and crosswise is known as weft. Wrap and weft or interlock. The class like pullovers, vest and socks, which need to be loose and comfortable in use, are made by knitting. For knitting, only one yarn is used. The fabric is knit over needle by making after after 1800 AD, the weaving and knitting is done by machine. Thanks. Today, today's homework, you will write a short note on sheep rearing.